Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise on screen. Solve exponential equation. This our equation is square root of 5 plus square root of 24 all power 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 24 all power 8 equal 10. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my videos from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Okay, now don't spend my time. We go to the solution together. Okay, you must know to solve this equation, it have this. Now this is square root of 5 plus square root of 24 and this square root of 5 minus square root of 24. We know I multiply out these basics of this equation. If we see it, if I write 5 plus square root of 24 and multiply it square root of 5 minus square root of 24 is equal square root of 5 plus square root of 24 and multiply 5 minus square root of 24. And this by use the rules that we have square root of a multiply square root of b, so I get square root of a and multiply b. And now this we use the rule that we have a minus b and multiply a plus b, it's equal square and minus b square. So this I can write is equal 5 square square root of 5 square is minus square root of 24 square and equal this 5 squares is equal 25 and this we simplify it, it's equal minus 24 and equal square root of 1 and equal 1. So now this we have this and multiply this, that we have square root of 5 and plus square root of 24 and multiplies square root of 5 and minus square root of 24 is equal 1. So now this we can find these factors or we can find these factors. And now this I find the factors and I change the factor to the right hand side. So now I get square root of 5 and minus square root of 24 is equal 1 and divide by square root of 5 plus square root of 24. Okay, now this I replace square root of 5 minus square root 24 by 1 divided by square root of 5 plus square root of 24. So that we get, okay, square root of 5 and plus square root of 24 all power 8 and plus this I get 1 and divide by square root of 5 plus square root of 24 all power 8 is equal 10. And now this I use the rule that we have a divided by b all power n is equal a power n and divide by b power n. Also this 1 power 8 and divide by square root of 5 plus square root of 24 all power 8. And but this 1 power 8 is equal 1. So that it is equal 1 and divide by square root of 5 plus 24 all power 8. Okay, now this I can write is equals square root of 5 and plus square root of 24 all power 8 and plus 1 and divide by square root of 5 and plus square root of 24 all power 8 is equal 10. Okay, now this. Let me see. It is same. So now we can let is the another variable. So this I let this let t is equals square root of 5 and plus square root of 24 all power 8. Now we know that this exponential function, so it must be positive. So we get this is positive. And now we get this is have another equation that this t plus this 1 divided by t is equal 10. And now I multiply both sides of this equation with t. So we get t squared plus 1 and plus 10t. And now I change 10t from the right hand side to the left hand side. So I get t squared and minus 10t and plus 1 is equal 0. And now this we get I use discriminant that we have discriminant is equal minus 10 all squares and minus 4 and multiply 1 and multiply 1. And now this is equal 100 and minus 4 and equal 96. Okay, now this we get the values of t is t1 is equal minus and minus 10 and plus square root of 96 and divide by 2 and multiply 1. And now it's equal 10 and plus this, if we know that is 96 and divide by 2 and we get 4 and 8 divided by 2 and we get 2 and 4 and this we have this, so we write is in, so it's equal 2 and square root of 24 and divide by 2 and now it's equal this, we take factor 2 and divide by 2, we get 5 plus square root of 24. Okay, and now this one solution and t2 and we get minus 10 and minus square root of 96 and divide by 2 and multiply 1. And so it's equal like the same is we get 5 and minus square root of 24. It also take and this also take, it take and also this take, because this square root of 24 is smaller than 5. And now this I use this before I use this. So now that's if okay if t is equal 5 plus square root of 24, so we get this 5 plus square root of 24 and square root of this power 8 is equal to 5 and plus square root of 24. And so this I can write it 5 plus square root of 24 or power this 1 divided by 2 8. And this is also we use the rule that we have square root of a is equals a power 1 divided by 2. And so this we use this rule. So we get is equal 5 plus square root of 24. And now this we get 1 divided by 2 multiply 8 is equal 1. And so we get 8 is equal 2. And now I use this that we have if this is equal 5 and minus square root of 24. And this we replace it by square root of 5 and plus square root of 24 all power 8 and equal this. We know it equal 1 and divide by square root of 5 and plus square root of 24. So I replace 1 and divide by 5 and plus square root of 24. Okay. And now this I get 5 plus square root of 24 or power 1 divided by 2 and multiply it. And this equal is a change its denominator to the over, so it's get 5 plus square root of 24 all power minus 1. And so that we get 1 divided by 2 and multiply h is equal 1. And then we get h is equal minus 2. Thus, h equal plus or minus 2 is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.